First we'll set the date and time. So there are different modes are available here. So I'm making into the date set mode. So here is the year button, month here. So I'll click here now. 2015, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So here we set it up now. Next the month. So the month button, I'm going to press this one. Currently month it's showing as the first month, second, third, fourth, fifth month. Next I'm going to set the date. The date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Now year we set it up, month we set it up, date done. So next I'm moving to the time set. So currently it's showing AM 12:01. So I'm going to set it up the date or time now. Hour. So click on hour. Now time 9 o'clock morning AM. Okay. So if you want the PM setting, if you keep on pressing it, then it will change to PM. Now it changed to AM. 9. Okay, let's set it up. Then minutes. 33 now. Keep on pressing, and so the minutes are changing now. 34. Okay. So now going to lock it. So date, time, everything done now. So here is a sensor to temperature sensor. You can make it on or off. So next is alarm on and off is there button. So I'm going to set the alarm. Alarm set. So now this is blinking, right? Currently it's set as 6 AM. So I'm going to change to 5 AM now. Hour, clock, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's changed to PM, this area. So I want to set it to 5 AM. 5. Okay. So if you want to set it to the minutes, 5:15, then the minute. 5:15. So alarm set, then move to lock mode. That's all. So now time set, alarm also set. So snooze button is here, and then alarm on and off. So if you set alarm, if you forget to turn it on, so it will not bell the alarm. So make sure your alarm is on mode. So I'm going to show the alarm sound now. So now it's 9:35, so I'll set to 9:36 alarm. Okay, time 9 o'clock, alarm minutes 36. I'll set it already 36, so I'll set it 37. Okay, alarm set. I'll put a lock. Make sure alarm is on. There is a function called light also is there. So during night time, you can just click it and then check the time. So temperature sensor it's showing here. So if you press this one, it will change to F mode and C mode. sound is keep on increasing. So when you press snooze, it will snooze for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, the alarm will again bell.